All right, guys, we are back with another recipe using Aloha Shoyu. This one is going to be different though, and maybe a little controversial because we're using all of these ingredients for beef on the grill. We're going to use a small chuck roast for this one here because they tend to be a little bit more tender, and these are our ingredients. In a bowl right here, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of basil, 1.5 tablespoons of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder that you see right there. Once this is all in there, just go ahead and grab a fork, grab a whisk, whatever you want, and just go ahead and blend all of these dry ingredients together. For me, I just used the same measuring spoon that I was using to put the stuff in because I don't want to make more dishes than I need to. That's it for the dry. Looks good enough for me. Let's get started on the liquid ingredients, starting with 1/2 cup of oil. I'm going to do a 1/3 cup of Aloha Shoyu, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire. I did my best to pronounce that one, guys, but you know how that one is. 1/2 lemon squeezed in. Jeez. Oh. And then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of minced garlic. So we did garlic powder. We're also gonna do minced garlic to give it an extra kick. Now go ahead and grab that whisk, and what you wanna do is make sure that the oil is blending with the rest of the liquid ingredients, or else you're gonna get crazy separation. This is on fast forward. I was not whisking that fast. Once you get this all good and done, we're gonna go ahead and add the dry ingredients and whisk it up some more. Looks good to me. Let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients right here. I did my best with the camera, but what you want to do is make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring them in. I've tried this before, and you wind up with big clumps if you just dump it in there, and it makes it more difficult to blend. So all you're going to do is just blend all your ingredients right here. We're just making a simple marinade. I promise you it's a lot easier than it looks in this video. I'm not a chef. I'm not an expert at this. I just want to share this delicious marinade for beef. What I like to do, I picked this up a while ago, is poke holes with a fork into the beef, and it just helps the beef absorb the marinade a little bit better. Looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and poke it on the other side as well. And then I'm just gonna put the marinade in there. You know, I wanted to use a Ziploc for this because I feel like Ziplocs do very well with marinades, but I didn't have one big enough. So this bowl right here with a lid, that's gonna have to do for us on this one right here. And then just pour it all in there. Do your best to make sure that it's covered. This is a nice thick marinade too, so go ahead and make sure that it's evenly coated all over the beef before sticking it in the fridge. This part is up to you. There are a lot of different opinions. I let this marinade for just over 5 hours. I've heard people say do it overnight, 2 hours is fine. Whatever you think is best for your taste, that's fine. I went ahead and flipped it though halfway through. All right, guys, let's hit the grill. Now, really, this is a camping stove that I have right here. I don't have a big grill. We happen to be on vacation, and this is what we have. but I definitely wanted to try it. Look how tender it is when I put it on there. This is so good. It would probably be 100 times better if you tried a charcoal grill, but this is just gonna do for now. All right, guys, this looks good. Let's go ahead and get it inside. Gonna let it sit for at least 10 minutes so the juice doesn't run all over the place. Look at how that's like the perfect medium rare right there, guys. Look how juicy it is. So, so good. All right, guys, that's it on this one. Go ahead and comment below. We want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on this marinade right here? And also tag us in your videos on our Instagram. Check out our TikTok if you're not already. We share recipe videos on those platforms as well. Tag us here also on YouTube. Share your recipes so that we can try them and post them up here.